So great stuff. Now we have a console app 2 running here, and let's just try and play around with a new, let's change this a bit so it's more like something we could use as an application. Let's say type your name here as the string that we're going to print, and then we'll do a read line, and here let's try and do, we're going to get a string from a read line. So let me try and show you this console read line here. This is actually a command that is going to return something. So when I mouse over here, you'll notice that the mouse over will give me a small piece of information about what this does for you. So it returns a string, that's what this means right here, and it's actually a console read line. Now notice, compared to Java, a string is actually a type. So you can write, just like you can write an int in Java, you can also write a string with a lowercase s. Just like you can make it into an object with an uppercase s. But that's what you do in Java, but here in C#, a string is just a lowercase type actually. So let's try and write, when you read this line, we're going to create a string, and let's just call it name and make that equal whatever you read. So now I can actually type your name will pop up, I can write my name, I'll press enter, and that name will now be put inside this variable, which is of the type of string. So let's try and go down and print this now by making a new console write line here. Write line, there we go. And here I'll say hi, and then the name of this guy. And let's just make it simple for now. So I'll just do a plus here, make a small space there. So let's just try and run this now and see what happens. It should pop up a small dialog like this, and it'll say type your name. I'll just type mine, press enter, hi Lars, and I'll press enter to end this. Let's try and improve this a little bit before we end this video, where we kind of just go in and say press any key, press enter to exit. That's actually what I should write, like this. There we go. So let's try and run this again and see what actually happened here. Again, it'll ask me to type my name. I'll type my name, press enter, hi Lars, press enter to exit, and there we go. Now we actually have a real application, and we're going to continue building on this to have even more fun. See you in the next lesson.